Hi everyone. Let us discuss Cloud Computing Unit 2. Topic 3. Web Services and On-Demand Computing. 2 mark questions. Define web services in the context of cloud computing. Give one example of a web service. What is on-demand computing? Name one benefit of on-demand computing. Mention one popular cloud platform offering on-demand computing. 5 10-mark questions. Explain the concept of web services and their role in cloud computing. Describe the advantages of on-demand computing for businesses. Discuss the differences between traditional computing and on-demand cloud computing. Illustrate real-world use cases of web services in cloud applications. Explain how on-demand computing enhances scalability, flexibility, and cost efficiency. Introduction. Web services and on-demand computing are fundamental components of modern cloud computing, enabling seamless communication, integration, and flexible resource management over the internet. Web services act as standardized interfaces that allow different applications, built on various platforms, to communicate and exchange data efficiently. They enable interoperability between systems, supporting dynamic and distributed applications. On the other hand, on-demand computing allows users to access computing resources such as processing power, storage, and software whenever required, without the need for upfront investment in physical hardware or IT infrastructure. This model ensures scalability, cost efficiency, and convenience for businesses and individuals alike. Example: web service. Google Maps API integrated into ride-sharing apps like Uber to provide location and navigation features. On-demand computing. AWS EC2 instances that can be launched only when needed to handle workload spikes. 1. Web services. Web services are software systems designed to enable interoperable machine-to-machine communication over a network. They serve as a bridge that allows different applications, often developed using different programming languages and platforms, to communicate and share data seamlessly. One of the key strengths of web services lies in their platform independence and standardized communication methods, typically using protocols such as SOAP, Simple Object Access Protocol, and REST, Representational State Transfer. This makes them highly adaptable and capable of being integrated into a wide range of applications across industries. Common examples of web services include the Google Maps API, which provides mapping and location-based functionalities to various applications, Amazon S3 API, which allows developers to access and manage cloud storage, and the PayPal API, which facilitates secure payment processing in e-commerce platforms. The main advantages of web services include the ability to integrate systems across platforms and programming languages, promote reusability of services, and support real-time data exchanged between different applications. Analogy: web services can be compared to universal power adapters, just as these adapters allow electrical devices from different countries to connect and function properly. Web services enable different applications to communicate and operate together seamlessly. 2. On-demand computing. On-demand computing refers to a cloud computing model in which computing resources, such as servers, storage, and processing power, are automatically provisioned as needed and billed based on actual usage. This approach allows businesses and developers to access and utilize IT resources dynamically without having to invest in or maintain physical infrastructure. The key characteristics of on-demand computing include a pay-per-use model, rapid provisioning of resources, and elastic scalability, enabling users to quickly scale up or down depending on their workload requirements. Common examples of on-demand computing include Amazon Web Services, AWS EC2, which allows users to launch and manage virtual machines on demand, and Google Cloud Functions, which provides a serverless computing environment that automatically scales based on event triggers. The major advantages of on-demand computing are its ability to reduce capital expenditure by eliminating the need for upfront hardware investment, handle peak workloads efficiently through flexible scaling, and support business continuity and disaster recovery by ensuring resources are available whenever needed. Analogy: on-demand computing is similar to calling a taxi You pay only when you use it, and it's available whenever you need transportation, providing both flexibility and cost efficiency. Please have a look at the comparison table. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.